Good morning. Today is Friday, March 21st, 2025. I'm here at Port 32 Marina, and this is Shay, Chalet 2 hull clean, and I did tighten up the prop. So we're going to go down there and check it out and investigate a potential another issue. So, you might have heard a slight ticking in that prop. It actually isn't the prop. I've tightened up the bolts were loose, tightened it all up, so everything is tight there. I think that's the very beginnings of your Cutlas bearing possibly going out on the starboard side. I'll have my boss look at this video after we're done with the hull clean and send it over to you to where he can get his information on it, because I wasn't twisting the prop when you heard that ticking. I was moving it up and down, or moving the shaft up and down and left and right. Alright, let's finish this.